How to activate public bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your PBE bank account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome, and at the top search bar, type in www.pbebank.com. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. Now, in order to get logged into your account, click onto Login on your top right, then click onto PBE. As you do so, you will land onto an interface like this. And here, simply type in your user ID. Once done, click on to Next. As you do so, if your personal login phrase is correct, click on to Yes. If not, click on to No. Then enter your password at the password box below. If you would like to add a security, then you can also use the on-screen keyboard by clicking onto on-screen keyboard. As you do all that, simply click on to login. And in case you don't remember your password or having any difficulty signing in, you can click on to reset password or reactivate user ID under need help. And this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.